Namaskar, I'm Dr. Neeru Takral, National Advisor, Indian Fertility Society, and coordinator of this project YET Youth Empowerment Program. Sir, आप इतने सारे programs कर रहे हैं. So how did this thought of youth empowerment came to your mind? And so many program, like how come?
बड़े अपन कॉमनली मेरे से लोग कहते हैं कि ये प्रोग्राम क्या है सो वट एवर वी डू वी कॉल इट नर्सेज एम्पावरमेंट प्रोग्राम और वी कॉल इट सेल्फ एम्पावरमेंट प्रोग्राम. सो मैं आर्मी में था और आर्मी में सरकारी भाषा में हर चीज़ को हम प्रोग्राम ही कहते हैं. समथिंग लाइक मलेरिया एरेडिकेशन प्रोग्राम और एनीमिया एरेडिकेशन प्रोग्राम. सो फ्रॉम IFS वी स्टार्टेड विद 12 programs which are looking at different aspects of an journey of an IVF doctor. और मेरी शुरू से धारणा रही है कि आई थिंक द हार्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस इज द यूथ. एंड लुक एट आवर कंट्री, such a beautiful country we have, the most populous country in the world, largest democracy of the world, and the largest youth population of the world is in India. अगर हम देखें, when I started my career, that time in the army hospital, we barely had I think 7-8 centers, IVF centers all over the Delhi NCR, but now there are more than 200. Young people are there who need guidance and they need hand holding. So I thought, why don't we have a program for youth? So we called it Youth Empowerment Program, empowering the youth. And here we made a little entry point. We said less than 45 years. So मेरा हमेशा I always feel that at some point of time the people with gray hairs should gradually move out and give place to the youth. The youth is, they're much more smarter than us. Dr. Neeru, they are more not only smarter, they are हमसे ज़्यादा समझदार भी होते हैं और हमसे ज़्यादा धैर्यशील भी होते हैं. But we feel that we know the maximum. So I think keeping that in mind, मैंने आपको रिक्वेस्ट करा and thank you so much for this program. And this is not easy. जो आपने करा तो I'm grateful to you for starting this program. And we had so much of difficulties when we found so many senior people coming and saying हमें भी आना है. We say no.
नहीं sir, it
तो क्या
was
हुआ था?
really my
आप बताएं क्या
honor.
what
Really
happened?
my,
What happened that time when
yeah,
I think you always were so much of worried ना, हम कैसे मना करें
yeah.
from seniors to come in.
हाँ.
So how did you handle that situation?
So it was really my honor when got a call from you that for this program. It was really pleasure to work with the Ankita Sethi and all these. It was really pleasure.
So how did you handle all those senior people who wanted to join the group? I think we had to say no to so many people, no? That is only meant for less than 45 years. So that was always an issue for us.
Yeah, we told them you can attend the program. We make a WhatsApp group. We have around 850 youngsters in that group. So these youngsters are in the group, but the program is open. Everybody can listen, everybody can hear. But for becoming the member, we said your age should be less than 45.
So I think we always feel that I think the youth need freedom. आजकल के बच्चों को they need freedom of expression, and they have their own thought processes. So thank you so much for giving them this platform. Do you think that you were able to reach जो आपके पास जो लोग जुड़े हैं आपके साथ में, these doctors are from where all? Are they from big cities or they are from?
No, they are from all over the India. They are from the interior, everywhere. From the Kashi, Haridwar, Dehradun, periphery area, south, all over there. And yes, Dr. Nisha was also with us initially.
Nisha
in
was
this
our Nisha
program.
and you coordinated.
Yeah, and later on
Correct.
Dr. Ankita joined with me. Yeah.
So how do you control these 850 or 900 brats? How do you control them?
Sir, all guidance by you. Yes, Dr. Shweta, she was also with us for the guidance. And we were doing program twice a week, Friday, 8 to 9 p.m. We were waiting for the second and fourth Friday. We have done lots of program about the AI, journal club, mentoring session, and then long discussion on the basic of the subjects. Different subjects like ASHRAE certification for clinician, ASHRAE certification for embryologists, cracking MOCOG, publications, AI, quiz, so many lot of sessions we had in this program. Sir.
Yeah, fantastic. So, what we did, we always felt that the youth wanted to grow, but they didn't know the way. So, I think under leadership of Dr. Neeru and the whole IFS team and our board of directors, what we did was that we guided them how to appear for ASHRAE certification exams, how to go to foreign conferences, how to present. I think the Journal Club was always a
Journal
super
Club.
hit, super
Yeah,
hit
super
program which you
hit.
did, ma'am. Thank you so much for that. आपको लगता है डॉक्टर नीरू कि जो आपने किया और जो डॉक्टर रश्मि ने बांध दिया उनको यूट्यूब में कैप्चर करके, शी स्पोक टू मी सम टाइम बैक, इसका इम्पैक्ट हुआ है? बिकॉज
Def-
यू वर दी सोल्जर ऑन द ग्राउंड. मैं तो सिर्फ आइडिएट ही करता रहता हूँ, बट यू एक्सिक्यूट इट. आपको लगता है कि उन चीज़ों के साथ में किसी को उनका कुछ फ़ायदा होगा? विल दे अप्लाई टू देयर प्रैक्टिस?
Yes, sir. These youngsters are actually our future. So these are the young brain. They are hardworking, but they are not confident. So we want to make them confident and go back with the confidence, with the knowledge, with practicability. So how to deal with the cases? We have a long discussions. What are the problem we have in other cases? Used to discuss every week. So it's really thanks for you to starting this program and giving us guidance, inspiration everywhere to run and execute this program.
तो नेहरू, आज से कुछ साल पहले जब वो 40 ईयर्स के थे, अब तो 40 से भी यंग लगते हैं, but जब वो 40 ईयर्स के थे पासपोर्ट एज में, तो आपकी थिंकिंग में और आजकल के बच्चों के थिंकिंग में क्या फ़र्क है? You have handled more than 900 doctors for 2 years. 40 years of at your life some years back and 40 years of these young people. कुछ फ़र्क है कि
So maturity definitely. We know
maturity?
the maturity. Sometimes we seem they are very underconfident, and sometimes we think they are overconfident.
Overconfident.
They don't know the principle, but yes, they want. So maturity come with the age. We can tell them in all the field, publication, AI, knowledge, theory, practicability, what counseling, everything. Counseling also come with the time also. Sir.
Correct. I think
Yeah.
the age, some bit of gray streaks they do help. How do you feel? मेरा एक सपना था कि हम एक यंग फौज क्रिएट करें, create a group of zombies who can actually who can work 24 by 7 in terms of their own growth and growth of the country, touching lives all over the country, not even all over the globe. आपको लगता है कि जब वो आपसे सीख के जाते हैं दे कैन रियली हेल्प इन नेशन बिल्डिंग, और इट इज़ इनका क्या सोच है, इन बच्चों का क्या सोच है? डू दे वांट टू डू देयर ओन वर्क, और डू यू थिंक दैट दे विल ब्रिंग अ चेंज इन द कंट्री and make India a superpower in terms of IVF or ART services or gynecology services?
Definitely, these are the youngsters are future for our nation. They are the young brain. They need a guidance, little bit guidance to work. They will definitely work, and our guidance will definitely bring changes in them.
In their life.
Yeah.
And how do you feel this program maturing over few years? आपके mind में इस program के लिए क्या what is the do you feel what more we should do to improve the program so that we reach more people?
We can continue this program. We can discuss guidelines because many people they're busy in the practice don't know what happening. So we can discuss guideline also, quizzes also, publications, all the things. They definitely help this youngster.
Fantastic.
This program definitely your program, your project was to inspire these youngsters to evolve, to nurture, to grow them, and definitely,
Have you become younger? Do you feel you become
yeah,
younger working with the
definitely,
youth?
yeah. Sometimes we
You
feel
feel
good. Sometimes we feel good
young
to
people,
have yeah, the
it
young
catches
people.
on, actually it rubs on, the age rubs on, and I think you have become younger.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
So thank you so much Dr. Neeru for holding it, and Nisha Bhatnagar, अगर आप सुन पा रही हैं, Ankita and the whole team which has worked with you, Shweta who has worked so hard in
Yeah.
empowering the youth. Thank you so much, Shweta. And any message, any last passing message for the youth of the country from your side, ma'am?
You should attend these program.
Attend this program.
Definitely attend this program and work for the best of the nation. Not you have to run very fast. Everything come with slow and steady. You have
Yes.
to understand the subject. You are our future. Definitely, we are proud of you.
समय
And
लगता है,
thank you very much, sir,
समय
for
लगता है.
giving me to do this project under your guidance.
Thank you so
Always,
much,
sir.
Dr. Neeru. Privilege, and thank you, IFS, for giving me this opportunity. And thank you, all our 29 state chapters, more than 5,000 members, for having trust in us. I think आप लोग देश की धड़कन हो, आप लोग देश का दिल हो, और अगर हम मिलके काम करेंगे तो we can really do wonders. Thank you so much. जय हिंद.
Thank you.